Let's now have a look at other developments tonight. 19 current and former officials of Metropolitan National Sacco, formerly known as Kiambu Teachers Sacco, have been charged with 9 offences for allegedly defrauding teachers over 14 billion shillings.
Now, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions stated that the accused, though through a fraudulent scheme and multiple violations of Kenya's Sacco laws tied to the management of the society between 2012 and 2021, failed to maintain proper books of accounts showing a true and fair state of affairs of the Sacco's financial position as required by the Sacco Societies Regulatory Authority.
And as Ruth Omboy reports, the court has issued warrants of arrest for 2 suspects who did not show up for plea taking.
Tuesday at Milimani's law court, and serving and retired officials of the former Kiambu Teachers Sacco, now Metropolitan Sacco, found themselves in the dock. The prosecution told trial magistrate Daisy Mutai that the accused conspired to defraud jointly with others not before court 14.4 billion shillings in a span of 9 years.
Apply for warrants of arrest against accused number 2, Samuel Muguri. Accused number 11, Francis Wachurumbai, and accused number 18, Lucy Kabiru, who have not appeared before you. There's an indication that one of them is deceased, but we have not received any confirmation of the.
Trial Magistrate Daisy Mutai also added that the official failed to establish and maintain a credit committee as required under prudential regulations.
We do not know the intention of the investigating officer when they were coming up with this figure, which is exaggerated and does not exist. I do not wish to go to the merits of this matter because we have an opportunity during the hearing.
The officials are also facing several other charges, including failure to maintain the legally required 15% liquidity ratio on member savings deposits and short-term liabilities.
For them to contribute to the tune of 14 billion Kenya shillings, it must have been a very serious and odious task for them. It means they are basically sacrificed blood and sweat for them to save these sums of money that are entrusted to the Sacco. And by extension, the people standing before you were given the duty to safeguard the same. Your Honor, they have failed to do so.
Pending pre-trial, the magistrate has released each one of them on a 200,000 shillings bond after pleading not guilty to the charges.
In the present case, what I find to be reasonable is as follows. I will grant bond of Kenya shillings 200,000 with one surety of a similar amount.
Those charged include Christopher Kauno Karanja, Samuel Ndungu Mwiruri, John Kimani Munyaka, James Kamau Ngugi, Patrick K. Kagwe, Francis Kamau Nganga, Benson Mwangi Nganga, Paul Kaberere, Geoffrey Wamae, Duncan Chege, Francis Wachurumbai, George Muhia, Daniel Lee Kamau, Joseph Gashunga Mwaura, Boniface Mudhama, Rosemary Chege, Edward Duncan, Lucy N. Kabiru, and James M. Ngomo. With the latest flag off by Sasra and the accused being charged, the question begs, are our money safe in Saccos? Ruth Omboy reporting for Milimani's Law Court.